increase the amount if you want more.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 cup. This is very easy recipe. Most of the things are either 1 cup or half cup. So, and 3 ingredients: heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, then any fruit puree of your choice. I have taken strawberry puree. I just got it ready so that it doesn't take much time. But I will tell you how to make this also.
Yes,
Okay. All right. So should we get started?
Yes,
Okay. So if you have any, you can make, first of all, this is very easy recipe, and this you can use and change the recipe to make any ice cream, any flavor of your choice. It could be strawberry ice cream, it could be vanilla ice cream, it could be blueberry ice cream, it could be mango ice cream. Rather, I made mango ice cream this morning and it's already setting up. It takes 5 to 6 hours to set up in freezer. So it should not take much time. I can show you after towards the end of this. Okay, let me start with the ingredients now. I will put, first thing is I'm taking any measuring cup. This is 1 cup. You can take any bowl. This is such an easy recipe. You can take any bowl at home also. Just take one full bowl. Okay.
1 cup of heavy whipping cream.
Yes, 1 cup heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
And it should be chilled, okay? It should not happen that it was lying outside, it's not chilled. It becomes easier to whip when it is chilled, when it is cold. Even if you see this container, this mixing bowl, I put this also in freezer. I always do that when I'm whipping cream. It's so much easier. It's very nice and thick and fluffy. Okay?
1 whole cup.
This is done. 1 cup whipping cream. And now I'm going to show you 1 cup whipping cream. I have this hand mixer with me. You can also use the other spatula we have, right? Whiskers. You can use that also. I used to do that. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. But you kids have strong muscles. You can do that also easily. For us, this is very handy. So I'll start it. And this, any cream, just like any whipping cream, it whips at the highest speed, right? 4 to 5. So just put it in here.
So 1 cup?
Yeah, there is only whipping cream here. Heavy whipping cream, 1 cup, and then start this.
No adding condensed milk?
Just a second. Yes, dear.
No adding condensed milk?
I will add it once it is soft. There are 2 options. Either we can add condensed milk now only, but then it will not, whipping cream will not be very fluffy. So what I will do, first I will whip it for 30 seconds, which will make soft peaks. I will show you the soft peak, how it looks like. Then I'm going to add condensed milk and any fruit puree of our choice.
Okay, Mother.
So,
Since days I can mix it. Please check with your teacher.
Wait, Mataji.
yes.
So we have to mix the heavy whipping cream now?
Yeah, it's in this bowl, right?
Heavy whipping cream. Did we add the condensed milk yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
It is optional. Both ways, you can either add it now and whisk it, or you can add it later also. So for today, I thought let me show you step by step. 1 is just with this. In 30 seconds, it will form soft peaks. I will show you how the soft peaks looks like. So it's not like the whipping cream which we use for cakes. That is stiff paste, which doesn't fall, right? That's it. So this is soft peak, right? You see, when I pick it, it falls. It's dripping. That means it is soft peak. Okay? So we are not doing it full. Now, 2 choices again. What we can do, if you want at this stage, take half of the mixture and let it be your vanilla ice cream. If you add vanilla essence to it, it will be a vanilla ice cream. And then half of the amount you can add your strawberry puree and make strawberry. Then later you can mix both vanilla and strawberry mixed ice cream. So, but if we want to go simple today, we can make only directly strawberry ice cream. Which one you want to learn? Tell me. Any choices? You want vanilla strawberry mix or pure strawberry? Okay, let me,
Mataji, do we put half of the one that we just mixed, 1 cup?
yes, that's it. We just add 1 cup of whipping milk, heavy whipping cream. And now it is at soft peak stage after whisking it. And now I'm going to add the condensed milk to it. And at the same time, strawberry puree. Okay, if you want to make vanilla, any kind of vanilla, then you can add vanilla essence for vanilla flavoring also. Okay, now let me tell you the ratios of it. Okay, so for 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, if you are taking, then you need half cup of this. And it's always a good idea to use the measuring cups so that you don't make mistakes. Or you can use the same bowl, make it full for whipping cream and then half for condensed milk. I will use this one, so because this one would be easier.
Mataji,
Yes.
how much vanilla did you put for the thing?
Vanilla essence, are you talking about?
Yeah, how much essence did you
Yeah.
put?
Two drops. I have not yet
You
put, I'll
told
put it. Yeah. I'm just
Okay.
filling,
Oh.
this is my half cup measure.
Open this.
I'm filling this up. Okay.
I need a can opener.
Tarini, you can do this. Let me try. Tarini, you start doing this. And
We have
make
a
sure you pay attention. Hold this with one hand.
If I'm going too fast, please ask me to slow down. I will. Okay. See, this is the condensed milk going to the mixture. It's done. I can use a spoon on my finger, which is clean right now, so I can use it. Let me use this to take it all out. All right. And then okay, this is done. I'll put it back. Now I'm going to add 2 drops of vanilla essence. It's okay if instead of 2 drops you put 3 or 4 drops. That's fine too. It's just for flavor. Okay, just 1-2 drops. Okay, that's it. Now, if we are making strawberry ice cream right now, for 1 cup of cream, whipping cream, we need 1 cup of, we need same amount. 1 cup whipping cream, 1 cup puree, fruit puree, and half cup of condensed milk. Okay, 3 ingredients only. So this is going to be 1 cup.
Okay.
If I want to divide it into half of vanilla and half of strawberry, then I will use it half. But let me go simpler today.
Mataji,
Yes.
I'm making 2 flavors, vanilla and chocolate. So I added vanilla.
Yeah.
So now also should I add heavy whip?
Exactly.
Half
Let me
teaspoon
see if
or
I
more.
can see the
Half teaspoon. Half.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so are you making half vanilla and you want to make half vanilla and half
Yes.
strawberry?
No, I am
It will
making strawberry. No, so I'm making chocolate flavored with caramel powder and then add vanilla. Mataji, what? Can you repeat the steps over again?
Sure. So first, step 1 is take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. It should be
So,
chilled.
You
Okay.
mean this one?
Yes.
This one? This
I don't see you. Does it
This-
say heavy whipping cream on the
In the
label on the box?
Half.
So Mataji, how do you do it again?
Mataji, sorry, I was on call. I couldn't help her. So what are the ingredients?
So yeah, first ingredient is heavy whipping cream. Any brand. It could be any brand, but it should say heavy whipping cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, any brand. It could be any brand. And then second ingredient is any brand of sweetened condensed milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have that, but how do you start to do it?
Like the measurement. She's just
Yes.
looking for measurement.
Yeah, so 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, take it in a mixing bowl and whip it for 30 seconds. Okay, only 30 seconds till it forms soft peaks. It will fall down from these. Okay, whiskers.
Okay.
And then once it is done, then you can add half cup of condensed milk to it. Okay, I
Yes.
just added that, and I added vanilla flavor into that. Third step is just add any fruit puree of your choice. So what I did, I took 1 cup of frozen strawberries and I added 1 tablespoon of sugar to it and I pureed it. That's it. But what you can do, you get from Indian stores, we get mango puree, right? This morning I made mango ice cream. So for that, we don't need to do any work. We just take 1 cup of that, add it to this mixture, mix it, set it. That's it, we are done. That's very straightforward.
We can use a strawberry syrup, Mataji.
Strawberry syrup, you can use that also. Yes, why not? But that
How
quantity
much?
we should reduce.
How much should we use
Because
the strawberry
it's
syrup?
very thick. So I would say use it 2 tablespoons initially and look at the color. It should not be very dark pink. You don't want very overwhelming and very sweet ice cream, right? So first use 2 tablespoons. Then if you think it is very light pink, then you can add 1 more tablespoon. I think it should not go beyond 3 tablespoons.
Okay, so the heavy whipping cream is 1 cup and half cup is condensed milk, and the strawberry syrup is 2 tablespoons.
Yes.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all. And if any flavor, vanilla essence or anything you want to add, you can add that also.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you, Mataji.
1 or 2 drops only, not more than that.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So let's do something interesting. Now, what I can do, I can add all of this puree. This is 1 cup. Okay. To this mixture, it will make strawberry ice cream. But what I want to do, I showed you that I can do is half vanilla and half strawberry, right? So I have this mixture. Just mix it nicely, condensed milk with the whipping cream. This is whipping cream, condensed milk. We are going to whip it again. Don't worry about it. Okay. Right. For half, it's okay. It could be approximate. You don't need to measure it. Okay. Just half of this is enough. Done.
Mataji,
Yes.
what do we do after vanilla essence?
Okay. After that, I just use a spatula or any big spoon or some serving spoon, something like that. Softly mix it, the condensed milk and the whipped cream together. Okay.
I already mixed it.
You already mixed it. That's good. Okay. Then next step is I separated half of, sorry, it's not transparent. Half of vanilla mixture in this and half I left in this. And since I've taken only, now this is for half cup whipping cream, right? Only half of the mixture. So I will take just 1/4 cup of this puree. Okay. And add strawberry puree or any fruit puree of your choice.
1/8.
Done. I hope it's easy to follow. I'm just mixing 2 types of ice creams to make it more pleasing, just like how we find in markets, right? Vanilla and strawberry swirls mixed together, which looks very tempting, but not very healthy when we buy it. Now I'm just going to whisk it for another 30 seconds. That's it. Okay. And this time you can go till medium peak stage. I'll show you how it looks when this is done. It's looking very light pink. So, and we are going to mix with vanilla, right? So let's add a little bit more of, let me add 1 spoon more of this puree. So it's on you, you know, look at the color. If you feel it's less strawberry, we want more strawberry, just add more. Same thing for puree. Yes.
What? Mataji, how many cups of condensed milk do you need?
Half cup.
Okay.
Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
we need to whip both, right?
Yes. Right now I have in half of vanilla mixture in 1 bowl. another half in mixing bowl in which I added strawberry puree. Okay. Then I'm going to whisk it again for 30 seconds. This is the stage when we do our mixture. We will add the fruit puree and then mix it for 30 seconds till it forms medium peaks. That means it should stay. When you take the whiskers away, it should stay. Whipping it adds more air to it, so the ice cream becomes really soft and fluffy. That's the reason we are doing it. Otherwise, some people, they don't whisk it. They simply mix the ingredients and they set it up in freezer. But then they get ice. Sometimes they get ice, right, in the ice cream. This way you don't get ice. Now that one is ready. I'm going to whisk this one also. Okay, this is very small bowl, so I'll be careful, but I'm going to do it. This is my vanilla mixture which I'm whisking. Once it's done, I will show you how the medium peaks looks like. Yeah, just a second. Okay, let me just finish this thing.
Okay.
It's done. So we see. Yes.
So did I miss any steps? So first I added heavy whipping cream, then I did the condensed milk, then I did the vanilla essence, and then I did the strawberries. I blended the strawberries and put it in there, and then that's all I did.
Yeah, that's it. And then just mix it all together and then whisk it for 30 more seconds to make little stiff peaks. Now you see this bowl. So though I am, tilting it, is it falling?
This is not like that.
Right?
Oh,
Even if it falls, that's still okay. Little bit is okay, Like look at this one. This one has strawberry puree. So because of the puree, strawberry and its juices, any fruit puree will not make it. This is vanilla. This is just like as good as a whipped cream, right? But this one would be slightly runny.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji. So Mataji, so we wanted to make double the, we're making double the amount, so we added 2 cups and all. So,
Okay.
and now, once we split our bowls,
Yes.
I'm going to split this into like 2-3 bowls and make different ice creams. So
Right.
now, like, what do I do? So I split it.
Yes. And then you can do different bowls. Let's say that if you are splitting the mixture into 3 containers, okay? 3 mixing bowls. To one, you can, if you want, you can leave one as vanilla. Second one, you can add any fruit puree of your choice. Third, you can add any fruit puree or any syrup. Like some people also add chocolate syrup, right? Then they mix vanilla and chocolate syrup. That thing, those 2 ice creams together with little swirl or designs. Add some chocolate chips or nuts on it. That also tastes very good.
Okay, Mataji, so what happens if you add a little bit more condensed milk on accident?
Condensed milk, it will be little more sweeter. This ratio works well for us, like it's very sweet. Usually in fruit puree, we are adding little sugar in the fruit puree also, right? Or from the store-bought fruit puree, mango puree, they also have sugar already added to it. You don't want very sweet ice cream because ice cream should be like mild sweetness, right?
Yeah. So Mataji, right now, we added our vanilla essence because you said 2 drops and we did 2 cups because we're doing double. So we added 4 drops, and it's not very thick right now. So should we like split it into our bowls, then whisk it more for the vanilla?
Did you add any puree when it is not thick?
Yeah, no, we didn't add any puree yet.
Okay, then you can whisk it more for 30 more seconds. Do it and do it at little speed. Okay, 5 speed. Like for this one is just 5 or 7 speed. So I'm doing it at I think 5. Yes, I am doing it at 5 speed. So it should be little high. The whipping cream speed, whatever the mixture speed is. Sorry, the not mixture. and mixer speed is for whipping cream, you should follow that speed. Usually it is speed 5. Okay, whatever, if it is a speed 9 mixer or anything else, also still it is speed 5 for whipping the creams. So we need to follow the same speed. It will not be very airy if you use it at very low speed, which is 2 or 3 speed. It should be at 5 speed. Okay, 5 or 6. Yeah.
So why is mine so like watery? See, let me show you. It's like,
I don't know. I can't see you. I can see only myself. Can I see? Can I see?
Champaklata Mataji, are you there nearby? Can you spotlight her? Can you put gallery view Mataji in your screen?
Yes. Yes, Mataji. Sure.
Can you spotlight Tanvi? She want to see her.
Done.
And
Okay.
see,
Give
if
me
you
1
want, I
minute.
can. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it so that I'm done with this, and then I can take all the questions. How about that? Good idea.
bowl you're holding. What's that second?
This is my vanilla cream going to this. Okay. It's all gone.
Is that me?
Then I will show you how I'm mixing it. We cannot mix it. It will take away all the air we have whipped. So we have to just whip like spatula like this. Slowly, this. Fold it. We need to fold it. We cannot mix it, fold it. Okay? Slow, soft hands, fold it. That's why I'm using this silicone spatula. It's easy to fold with this, but we can use any serving spoon, flat one. That is also good. And this mixes it. It's done. This is how mine looks right now. See, this is also not very stiff. You see this? It's not very stiff.
Mataji, what are you making?
Yes. Now questions. Yes.
Mataji, what are you making now?
So I am making vanilla strawberry mix.
Mataji? Yeah, but that's after we split it.
Yes. So who has questions? Who wanted to show their mixture? Was it you, Tanvi?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Show me.
Why is it so watery?
Yeah, this looks watery to me. So what all you have added? Can you tell me what steps you followed?
With heavy whipping cream,
Mm-hmm.
condensed milk,
Yes.
vanilla,
Mm-hmm.
strawberry, blended strawberries, and then that's it.
Okay. For blending strawberry, did you
Mataji?
use any water?
No.
No, right?
Ours also looks like that.
Little
Very
bit is
buttery.
fine, but it should not be. It should not be very thin. Very light.
Mataji?
Yeah.
Mataji?
Yeah, this looks good to me. This is same as mine.
Mataji?
Yes.
Mataji? Can I show you my, this is mine.
Can you, Tanvi, well, 1 second, beta. Tanvi, can you just show me like this? Put a scoop full of this. Show me. Okay, can I tell you something? Just biscuits. Oh, you are using this whiskers. You are doing it manually with hand?
No, I'm using this and this spoon.
Okay. So with this, if you are doing with hands, yes, this needs more whipping.
I have an electric mixer. Mataji?
So you can use what I'll tell you. See, you have these whiskers, right? So the other one, which you were originally using, you need to do it, whip it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then it becomes this consistency. This becomes. I used to do that. Little muscles, ask mommy to help, but yes,
This is
you
a
can do
razor.
it. Kids can do it. It's not very difficult.
Mataji?
You have to do it little fast like this.
Mataji,
I'll show you.
can I use this blending one?
This would that it is a blender, right? It doesn't add air to it, right? So this just mixes. No, that's okay. This size is also okay. I used to make ice cream like this only till a month back. Okay, I recently got this, and my arm finally started to hurt. But
Blend
you
it.
have to use it with just hold it and do this very fast, very like this. You see this, my hand? You have to do like this for 5 to 10 minutes continuously. It will be thick. Trust me, it will do. Okay, it will happen. I've done it so many times. That's also. Yes. Some other
Mataji, can I show my ice cream?
Show me.
I'm not on spotlight.
Who is
So
it?
after you make this, what should you do?
Mataji, can I show you my strawberry
Sure, beta.
ice cream?
Show me. Yes.
Now, Mother, should we just put it in the fridge?
Yeah. In a plastic wrap. So I'll tell you. So if you have done this in a glass bowl, this is a perfect one.
We
So
do
glass
that.
ice cream sets really easily in glass bowl. Just cover it with a plastic thing. You have right plastic wrap or something. If you don't have that, then maybe aluminum foil. Cover it well. Put it in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours or overnight, and it will set.
खुला किया आपने?
Can I do it?
Yeah. Then you have to put it in the fridge. Yeah. Fridge for 5 to 6 hours.
Oh my god.
Only in the night you can.
Can I eat it?
Night. Okay, wait.
Okay. And if anyone wants little fancy, what we can do, we can add any rose syrup, strawberry syrup, take just 1 spoon or strawberry puree again. Put it like just put it like this, drip it, and slowly, softly mix it, and then leave it, which gives beautiful pink swirl. You see the design, right? We do see, right? Okay. So this is perfect. Now I can.
Yep.
Yes, and anyone want to show, they can show.
Mataji,
Can I show my ice cream?
Sure.
Mataji,
Sure.
Mataji, this is my thing.
जरूरत नहीं है सना. इसको ऐसे रख दे रहे हैं उसमें ऊपर से प्लास्टिक रैप
We need to ask Mataji to
Mataji, is this
focus on you.
Mataji, I have to. I think I have to.
वो माता जी
Hands on it.
प्लास्टिक रैप लगा के रख दो.
Done? Put it properly. Put it in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Evening to by
Mataji,
it is almost 6, and by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock,
I have a dot, so I don't think like mine isn't that creamy yet, and it's very loose.
Is it very creamy, you're saying?
Like this. So it's very liquid like that.
See, even if it is little loose, it will still set. If it is creamy, it will still set. If it is very loose, kind of ice cream. Okay? If it is whipped well, it is very soft, melt in the mouth.
Yes,
Just
you're
like
right.
how it gets so warm.
We always like each other.
Okay, so this is fine right now. It's like this.
I don't see anyone. Can we get the gallery view? Then maybe I can see all the kids now.
Mataji, in your
this
phone
is-
only or in the laptop you can put Mataji. Mataji, are you from the laptop or from the phone?
iPad, my iPad. What do
Okay,
I do?
can you switch yourself to the gallery view?
Okay.
Your
is it in
view, you can
mode?
switch it to the gallery view.
I'm checking.
Yeah.
Chat, meeting settings.
No,
Is it in
Mataji,
mode?
there near the camera button.
Oh yeah,
you
I
can
see. I see
there.
that.
Gallery view it is there.
Gallery view. Okay.
1
second.
Then you can see everyone.
Oh yeah, now I see. Yes, yes. I see.
So
Thank you,
whoever
Mataji.
is showing, you can see from there.
First class, as I mentioned before. Okay.
No worries, Mataji.
My ice cream is in the freezer.
Very good, Garima.
I made mango flavor, strawberry flavor, and white chocolate chip flavor.
Wow. Nice. Nice idea.
Mataji,
I made
what if now so I want to make vanilla with chocolate chips. So now should I add so I have my vanilla. Should I whisk it then add chocolate chips?
Yes. Yes. First biscuit and then add choco chips because you want the crunch of it, right? You don't want choco chip to melt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So first biscuit, when ice cream is ready, put the choco chips and just fold softly with a spatula. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes, Tanvi.
So mine got.
It is little thick. I see it now. See, it's much better. Yes. This will set very easily, very nicely. Yes.
Do we add cocoa powder?
Okay.
Do we add it?
Cocoa powder you want to add to it?
Sure.
Okay. Cocoa powder, I think how much it should be. Just add 1 tablespoon at a time, unless you want pure chocolate one.
Okay. Mataji, how much carob powder should you use?
What is it, Tarini? What's that?
Mataji, how much carob powder should you use if you want to make this one with carob?
Yeah, same ratio. I'm saying add 1 tablespoon at a time. If you want to make pure chocolate one, then you will need more. I think you will need 1/4 cup.
Okay.
If you are making a mix of vanilla and choco, then it will be less.
Okay.
No, Mataji, actually, Tarini, Mataji, actually, carob is a substitute of chocolate powder. So she's asking how much carob powder do I use?
So isn't it same, Mataji? The ratio?
Same. Yeah, same, Mataji.
I'm talking about the size. The size should be, the ratio should be same only, right?
Yes. I think carob powder is more like a thickening agent, so it makes things more thick. So maybe little less than cocoa powder, I guess.
Okay. So maybe that's one thing. Add 1 tablespoon at a time, and then mix and check it how it goes.
Yeah, Tarini. Okay, beta. Did you get your response?
Yeah, so I should just add, like, if I want more chocolate, I should have add 1.5 cup or what?
Yeah. How much?
This is powder, so like I just put my powder in here in the cup.
Tarini, how much whipping cream you have taken? 1 cup or 2
So
cups?
I'm making double the amount, so I added 2 cups.
So just
And
add 2. I think you should add 2 tablespoons of carob powder. That should be good.
Okay.
Right,
Thank
Mataji? Mamta Mataji?
Yes. Yeah.
That sounds okay.
Yeah. You have more experience
Okay.
with carob powder. I have not tried it, but yes.
Okay,
Sounds
so
good.
I guess everybody has made their wonderful ice creams. So everybody, please post your pictures when the ice cream comes out and make sure you all do not eat it without offering to Krishna.
Yes.
So for Avani, if Tarini has not showed you, make sure you say the Maha Mantra 3 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna.
She told
Hare
me.
Hare.
She
Yes,
showed
and
me
then
how.
Put a tulasi leaves and then offer it to Krishna, leave it for 5-10 minutes, and then later on you can mix it and you can have the prasad. So everybody please post their pictures tomorrow or maybe later tonight after your offering, that how your ice creams have come out. And I guess everybody is done. So we will we want to say thank you to Mamta Mataji. Can everybody say 3 times Hari Bol and thank you to Mataji?
Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. So thank you so much, Mamta Mataji, for taking out special time for children and teaching them, and it is so wonderful.
My pleasure, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And we're going to go ahead and end the class, and I'll see you all tomorrow for Kahoot game, okay?
Mataji.
Mataji, do we need to record the whole chapter today? Do we need to record the whole chapter, Mataji?
Yes. Please send your recordings of whole chapter, Bhagavad Gita, chapter 17, 1 to 28. Okay, today and tomorrow.
Okay.
And over the weekend. Okay. So I love you all, and I'll miss you all definitely.
Bye,
Mamta
Mataji.
thank
Hare
you again.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna
Love you
Mataji.
all.
Bye.